Okay, so you have your shawl if you're gonna wear it with the triangle in the front. So you put it around, put the end around, and put the other end around. And you can, if you wanted, you could add this one up here. If you wanted it, you know, nice and
snug.
Yeah, nice and kind of cozy up to your neck. And then you just cinch all the ends together. And then you can have it like that, play with it. If you didn't want the other end though, you could always leave it like that and just cinch it here on this end. And then you can always do it this way and wear it like a shawl with it in front, and it'll stay on your shoulders, and then you cinch it in the front like that and kind of play with it so it'll stay on. And then you can do it on the side as well, same thing, like this, and then just cinch it where you want it.
See, I had it like this morning.